category, we have our winners from the East region. For this category, we have a tie for the second runner-up position. The second runner-up from this category is Tribe Delight Private Limited, which is received by Mr. Jeetu Ranjan Kar. Many congratulations, Mr. Jeetu, for securing the second runner-up position.
Thank you, Manoj and community. This definitely encourages and motivates us to continue supporting our farmers.
Thank you. The next second runner-up for the East region category is Duosis Bio Innovations Private Limited, which is received by Dr. Ruby Gupta. Many congratulations, Dr. Ruby, for securing second runner-up position for the category. The first runner-up for East region is Gurik Advisory Private Limited, which is received by Mr. Jyoti Kumar. Many congratulations, Mr. Jyoti, for securing second runner-up position in the category. Next, we have the winner of the East region category as Bright Crop Agro Products Private Limited, which is received by Mr. Manjul Chaudhary. Many congratulations, Mr. Chaudhary, for securing the first position in the category.
Thank you so much for the award. It definitely helps us to move ahead with our mission and vision. And it's been a privilege. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Congratulations to all the winners in this category. Let's just hear from our winners. What do they have to say about the awards? Can we have the video? Yeah.
Hi, my name is Jeetu Kar and I'm co-founder and CEO of Tribe Delight Private Limited, Odisha. Tribe Delight's mission is to provide a better livelihood and improve social economy of the tribal farmers. We are doing that by providing them training on value addition to their nutritious food products and also providing them with a market to sell their products. Tribe Delight is supporting more than 100 tribal families now in the areas of Koraput and Kandhamal in Odisha. We have been receiving continuous support from institutions such as NRRI, where we have received the Vikas Rabi to incubation and funding. We are facilitated by Sri Sri University, Odisha Corporate Fund Foundation and other institutions. We are thankful to institutions like OUAT, ICAR, Millet Mission Odisha, CTCRI to provide us the necessary training in value addition of the raw products such as rice, millets, pulses, etc. We are thankful to MSME and Startup Odisha to provide us platforms and exhibitions to showcase our products and to reach our end customers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ruby Gupta, founder and CEO Duosis Bio Innovations Private Limited. With Doctor in Biological Sciences from CSIR CMAP Lucknow, I hail from East Indian state of Jharkhand, also known as Land of Forest. We here in Duosis are involved in production of food additives from agro-industrial spin-offs, which can be utilized by various food processing industries for gelling and thickening purposes. Through the manufacturing of our product Gelnex, we are trying to improve the socio-economic status of tribal community by providing them an alternative source of livelihood. We are thankful to Manage Community for selecting us for Agri Startup Award 2021. It is a huge honor for us to receive this award and we are thankful to the committee for this recognition. We are humbled and grateful for this honor. Thank you so much.
Namaskaram everyone. I am Jyoti. With me is my brother Deepak, who is behind the camera. We both founded a company, Gurik Advisory Private Limited, which helps farmers in West Bengal to produce organic products. We also help them by selling their produce to nearby Kolkata market. and we help our consumers who would like to have chemical-free products. This year, we participated in Manage Samanuti, and they chose us as one of the winners. So thank you, Manage Samanuti, for encouraging us and awarding us. Thank you.